For the blending drill, what you're going to need is your handy dandy teacher manual, so you can see what words you're going to be reading. And then you're also going to want to have some form of a magnetic letter tray that you can be making these words. You could have letters on cards if you're using a pocket chart. If you're using the paper version of the UFLI blending word mat, basically you're just going to be adding the letters up to the little chart, and the kids are blending it together. The other thing you're going to really want to have is your cheat sheet right here, so you can see exactly what you're working on. Now, the procedure here, it's basically the teacher is going to build the words with previously learned concepts. So students are going to read them chorally. You might even have them popcorn read a little bit, as long as the vibe in the group is supportive and kids aren't going to belittle each other when we make mistakes. If there's a strong culture of go make mistakes to make yourself smarter, then popcorn reading isn't a really big deal. If kids are dreading their time to read, then popcorn reading probably wouldn't be the best idea. So students are going to say each sound in the word, and then they're going to blend the sounds together. So the instructional language for this is going to sound fairly simple. I'm going to show you some words, say the sounds, and blend them together. Then the students are going to be doing exactly that. So here, I might use my little blending mat or even my tray. It doesn't really matter what you're using, just as long as they can see the graphemes. So I'll put my first word up, S-I-C-K. Just like that. The students are going to say the sounds, S-I-K, and they're going to blend them together, sick. Notice how we have that digraph, CK, saying just one sound. All right, that's pretty straightforward and simple. It'd be the same thing if we were using a magnetic letter tray or the nifty digital version of this that UFLI offers for free on its website. Now it's your turn. Try your best and have some fun. Make sure it's good enough so you feel like you can teach it to your team.